Hello students, welcome back in the online classes. This is subject English Grammar. Children, as you know that we have finished lesson number 3 and today we are going to start the next lesson, new lesson, that is adjectives. But in this lesson we are going to learn adjective of demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective. Children, you do remember that in the last lesson we have learned all about adjectives only, types of adjective, but in that lesson we have learned adjective of quality, adjective of number, adjective of quantity. And in this lesson we are going to learn next two types of adjectives, demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective. Okay, are you ready? Come, we will learn about demonstrative adjective first. Okay? Children, let's warm up first. Here, read the conversation between the two men. Here, one person is saying, "This is my house," and another one, "That is my house." Okay, so discuss with your partner about this incident. Okay, what is the first question here? Are the two men pointing to two different houses? They're pointing to two different houses. You can see here, he is showing finger here and this another person is showing finger this side. Okay, so yes, they are pointing to two different houses. Which words do they use to point to the houses? So they are pointing to two different houses. So which word they have used here? See this first sentence, "That is my house." So which word is used here to point the house? That. Okay, that is my house, and here this is my house. This is my house. This word is pointing to the house. Okay, so here answer is written this and that. Which word do they use to indicate that the houses belong to each of them? So these houses are belong to these two people. How do we know that? Because they have used here particular words for that. This is my house. So which word is showing us that this house belongs to this person? My. So this is my house. My word is showing that this house belongs to this person. That is my house. Here also same word, my. This word shows that this house belongs to this person. Okay, so we have written the answer my. Okay, so this is all about warm up. Let's start demonstrative adjectives. Okay? Children, now let's learn about demonstrative adjectives. Okay, give attention on the blackboard. Children, here I have written 4 sentences on the blackboard. Okay, I'm going to read these sentences for you. Give attention. This house is big. That house is small. These rooms belong to me. Those rooms belong to you. Now children, here I have underlined 4 words. Okay, why I have underlined 4 words? These, that, these, those. These are the words which point to something, which are showing to something. Okay, so this house. So this is the word which is used to show house. Okay, it is pointing to house. It is showing to house. Okay, so these, that, these, those are the words which are used to show something, to point something, are called demonstrative adjective. Okay, so do you understand what is mean by demonstrative adjectives? The adjectives which are used to show something, to point to something, are called demonstrative adjectives. Children, in the sentences, if you will see which words I have underlined are showing to these nouns. After the demonstrative adjective, immediately you can find the noun. This house, house is the noun. That house, noun. These rooms, this is noun. Those rooms, this is noun. Okay, so demonstrative adjectives are coming always before the noun. You will find demonstrative adjectives before the noun. These are the nouns, and before the nouns, demonstrative adjectives come. Now, these are the words which are showing to these nouns. So, these are the demonstrative adjectives. Now, one more difference I want to tell you about these adjectives. Here I have taken first number and third number. This and these. These two demonstrative adjectives are used to point the thing which is near to you. Okay, if you want to point the thing which is very near to you, you can use this and these two types of adjectives. Only difference is that this you can use for the singular noun. Okay, house is the singular noun, only one house. So this you have to use before the singular noun, and these you have to use before the plural noun. So rooms is the plural noun, many. Okay, rooms. This is plural noun. So before the plural noun you have to use the adjective, demonstrative adjective, these. Okay, this and these. Okay, and when you have to use, when the noun or the thing which you want to point should be near to you. Remaining one, that and those. This you can use for the thing which is far from you. Okay, far from you. So these are used when the nouns are far from you, away from you, and this is the singular adjective. Okay, this is house is the singular noun. So this demonstrative adjective you can use before the singular noun, and the noun is away from you or far away from you. And the next one is those. Those is used before plural noun. Okay, those is used before plural noun. Rooms, many rooms. So this one, those is used before the plural noun. Okay, so and the rooms, this noun is far away from you, that time you can use those. Is it clear for you? So once again let me tell you what is mean by demonstrative adjective. When you are using the adjective to point out something or to show something, and that time you are using the words like these, that, those, these. These are the demonstrative adjectives.